Yo, y'all know what to do, man. Y'all know what to do. Like and subscribe. Want to talk on that Larry Hoover situation. He say he ain't with that new age GD shit. Yeah, he ain't with that. This new shit in the 70s, different. This new shit, no respect, no loyalty, not organized. That's some new shit. See, Larry Hoover had people growing into being men. It was really supposed to be for politicians. But you know, knuckleheads made it a street thing. But yeah, free Larry Hoover, man. Y'all had this man locked up probably since 74, 75. That's a long ass time. It's 2022. Finna be 23. That's a long time to lock a man up for some shit the ignorant person did in the streets. How the hell is you gonna keep me locked up for what other people do? That's crazy, free Larry Hoover. But it's not the same. This new age, GDs, it's not the same. They're not GDs in my eyes. But the old heads in the 90s, 80s, 70s, them the real gangsters. Them the real gangsters. The 2000s, late 90s, maybe, but the 2000s, nah. They got their own cliques. They run under all type of gangs. But free Larry. Let that man come home. Be with his family. He old. What can he do? Can't get back in these streets. People is not respecting no old heads. You think they gonna respect Larry Hoover when he get out? Free Larry Hoover. Like and subscribe. Tell me what y'all think. Should they free Larry Hoover?